Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage. And you know what? It's been a long time since I did a tire shine product. So I'm going to do one today. And I used to do products all the time, but I got out of that. And, I kind of want to do a couple more often again, since a bunch came out. And here we have a Napa Max Tire Shine. This stuff, I don't know. How good is this stuff? There's the tire. I haven't tried this before. Can't remember how much this cost, but let's see. This new technology penetrates. Ooh, here we go. Shake before using. I did that. Whole can 6-inch away. Wait 5 minutes for phone to disappear. No wiping necessary. So this, it says, is like a 5-minute phone. So we're going to give her a try here on this dirty tire and see how well it works. So let us spray this on. Let's get enough on here. So yeah, it's got some foaming action going on here. So we're going to give her some time here and see how well it does. We can see it's already doing something over here. So yeah, well, we'll wait a couple of minutes and we'll see how good it does. So it's been about a minute so far, and yeah, the foaming action has actually stopped. You can see how dirty that stuff is down there, that cleaning solution that's actually run off the tire. So I think it's actually doing something. So we'll get another look at her in a couple of minutes. So we are 3 minutes in now. Does it look any different? I'm not sure. That's at 3 minutes. It's shinier. Doesn't look like it's much cleaner, but let's give this time. Let's see what happens. So we are at 5 minutes now. I didn't know. I'm going to have to read these instructions again and see if I know this probably takes longer to dry on the inside of the building where I am, where there's no wind blowing or anything. So I'm giving it that. But I don't know if this was supposed to be shiny or just a nice black tire look. So I'm going to look at these instructions again on here and see how it is supposed to turn out. So this formula is supposed to have a shine to the tire and also keep the tire looking blacker longer. So we'll see if it's got a nice deep black look to it, black rubber, and we'll see if there is actually a shine to this, because it's coming along. I kind of like this so far. It's looking pretty good. So I think that's about it. Been about 15 minutes, so she looks pretty good. I gotta admit, I am impressed. This stuff looks good. It's got a slight shine to it. And, well, what can I say? It's definitely got the dirt off the wheel. If you remember what it looked like. I don't have a picture to show you, but maybe I will. Look at the thumbnail. I'm going to take a picture of the thumbnail and show how dirty the tire was. Okay, this stuff worked good. Very impressed with it. But let's wait a little bit while longer. I'm going to wait like a half an hour. And then we'll take another look at it. See if some of this shininess does go away. So there we are. 30 minutes since I sprayed this Max Tire Shine on. Not much shine, but it has a little bit. So it's not too bad. But not much shine, but it is definitely cleaner, and the black rubber is coming out really nice. So it works, and I'm actually kind of happy it works. Clean, shine, protect. So it does protect too, actually, when you use it. So it'll put a coating on your tires, so, well, maybe it'll be easier to clean them next time. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to try to do a lot more product reviews again when I get them. And, well, stay tuned for more videos to come.